Hi everyone, myself Doris Pratibha, and I'm your AWS trainer, and we'll be starting today in today's session with the exam certification part. So many of you have this question about how do we take up your AWS exam certifications. So we'll just have a look at it in today's session. So I'll just go to the console right now. So you can just have a look at the console here. Under the console, if you go for the aws.amazon.com console, you have the tab Learn. So under the Learn tab, if you go, you can see the certifications. So click on Browse AWS certifications. So many of you have had this question about what exam we have to take. How do we take the exam? Is it difficult? Is it easy? Is it possible to clear the exam? And how many days will it take to clear the exam? So here we are all about clearing all your doubts about taking the exam and clearing your certification. So if you click on this link, okay, under Learn and for AWS certification, if you browse for AWS certification, we'll be going to this particular page. So once you come to this page, what you can see is, you can see the two options: schedule an exam and prepare for an exam. So under here, you will have to know which is the certification which is needed. So if you just browse through here, you can see the different available certifications. So first one, foundational, that is knowledge-based certification. For this certification, prior experience is not needed, and we have two options. One is cloud practitioner with basic knowledge of cloud, and one more is AI practitioner, artificial intelligence practitioner. This is also foundational. Okay, so this shows that you have some basic knowledge on your AWS. The next level is the associate level. It shows you knowledge and skills on AWS, and here you need some professional experience. Okay, and under the associate level, many companies prefer the certifications. So on which role you want to take it up, like a developer or a data engineer or a solutions architect or administrator. So we have different certifications which you can just observe here. So if you're clicking on any of these badges, what exactly happens is, you can just see, as soon as I click, you can just see this particular link appearing. So here it tells you about the exam overview. The exam duration is 130 minutes. Format is 65 questions, multiple choice, and the cost is $150. So this exam can be taken in the center or online, and it is a proctored exam. So we have multiple languages which it offers to take up the exam. So whenever you're taking the exam, you have to make sure that you're prepared well. So let us see the simple steps of how to prepare for your exam. So you will have to understand the concepts. First one is to know your concept and be ready for the exam. So if you just scroll down, what you can just see is, you also get these updates on exam fees. Okay, so that also option is there. Whenever there is some offer, it will be highlighting here, and other things you can just observe is, so what are the other things you can just observe is how we can clear the exam or how to do this exam. So one is you are preparing for the exam guide. If you just see here, just to go back. Okay, so if you just go back, you'll be able to get the exam guide. Okay, so these certifications, okay, is mainly, it helps you for It mainly helps you, which is globally recognized and industry recognized credential is being provided here. So what exactly we can do is for preparing the exam. So you can just you have these options for prepare and for an exam, training and certification, and how you're going to access it. So you'll have to create an account and access your account. And for exam preparations, what are the different things? We'll just observe here. Okay. These are the testing centers and we can schedule an exam. So exam preparation, just click on that and you can see how the value is being given for this particular exam and select the exam. See, for example, if I'm selecting my Solution Architect Associate, just scroll down and what you can just see is this is the details which is being given, and we have the exam guide. Just click on the exam guide. So the syllabus for your AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate, this is the exam guide. So please go through this, which will help you how the exam will be there, and there are also multiple practice papers. And if you go through this exam guide, it will tell you of what are the topics to which it will be covering and how we can prepare. Okay, so I'll also be sharing the other links which will help you to take up the exam. See, one is your exam guide, which you can go and you can download, and the next one is if you just see here, is the white papers, exam white papers. So you need to prepare from the exam white papers. So you can just see here. So I just opened, you just Google it, you'll be getting exam white papers. So you need to just select particular topic and you get the guide of that particular services. So complete details will be provided here. And one more, the famous one is the cheat sheet. So we have a link which is nothing but tutorialsdojo.com, which helps you with the preparing the exams. So if you log in, you get the cheat sheets, okay, for exam guide. So just click on here. For example, if I want to know about the AWS support plans, let me go for AWS support plans. So you can see the cheat sheet, which gives you the clear basic idea. For example, we have 5 AWS support plans. You can just see here. Complete details, which helps you to prepare for the exam. So where it is used, how it is used, the comparison is being given. And let me go for one more example. For example, let me go for compute services in that EC2. So if I'm clicking on EC2, it tells me what are the topics which you'll be learning in EC2. You can see the features. Okay, so this is how you're preparing for each and every topic. It gives you a preview of all the topics. Okay, so this is something which you have to know about your exam and certifications. Fine. Okay. So you have certain links, and this will help you to prepare for your exam, and it will also help you in clearing the exam. So the best one I recommend is please go for your preparation course from the Don Bosco. One is Stephen Marek and one other one is Bon Bosco. So these are the two different authors, which I personally prefer. So if you go for the mock exam, you clear it, and you're prepared well, it helps you to clear your certification. Yeah. So this is one thing which I wanted to share with you. So all the best for your exams, and hope your doubts are being clear. So please do subscribe if your doubts are clear. And thanks for Thanks for this, for viewing this, and please subscribe for this channel. Thank you.